Hi, guys, and welcome back to Oceaneers Travel. This is a new segment for us, and it's called the 5 in 5, where I'm going to run down 5 things in a category, and I'm going to take 5 minutes to do it. Are you ready for our first one? Set the timer, and here we go. This is 5 ways to get kicked off a cruise ship. Okay? Number 1, bringing illegal drugs on board. Cruise ships are equipped with safety, security, as well as drug sniffing dogs. So if you think that you're going to try to smuggle some stuff on board, you got another thing coming. Not only will they confiscate whatever you brought, they will send yourself packing so quick you won't know what hit you. They will set you out at whatever port you are at or the next port of call, and it is on you to get back to your home. So definitely think twice when trying to pack those illegal substances. All right. Number 2, fighting with other guests. I mean, you're on a cruise, for Pete's sakes. What the heck could you be fighting about? Don't do this, first of all. And second of all, don't be surprised if you do, if you see yourself sitting with your luggage out on the next port of call. Now, cruise ships, they have security features and maritime police on board that they can take into effect if they need to. And they can also press charges against you at sea. So don't get caught doing the wrong thing. Simmer down your tempers and don't let it get the best of you. Number 3, impersonating a crew member. Now, this one's self-explanatory, but don't try to get behind the bar and try to serve drinks like Juan the bartender, or don't be trying to go places that you shouldn't go and thinking that you're going to get back to the crew hall or to, mingle with some crew while you're on your cruise vacation. That is definitely a no-no and one that will get you booted really quick. Disobeying safety regulations is number 4. And this one has a wide variety. I'm sure you've seen videos all over the internet of guests misbehaving. But did you know that I've seen people fishing off of the side of a large cruise ship? That's a no-no. And heaven forbid trying to jump from your balcony. That will get you kicked off if you survive faster than you can think. I have seen people jump from the 10th floor of the balcony, hit the water, survive, get up, and then be escorted directly to the local law enforcement office. Tell you, don't take your chances. Just behave while you're on your cruise. And last, and the 5th one, is visiting restricted areas of the ship. Now, there are areas of the ship that's going to be labeled crew only, just like we mentioned before. Don't go there. It's as simple as that. There are plenty of things on the ship for you to do that doesn't revolve you going into crew spaces. It's for crew only. More than likely, you're going to have some sort of identification or a key card to gain entrance to these areas. So it's that simple. If you don't have access, don't go. The moral of the story here, guys, is just enjoy your cruise vacation. Don't do crazy stuff. Be on your best behavior and let everybody have a wonderful and joyous vacation. Until next time, friends, visit us at oceaneerstravel.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you go. And this has been 5 Under 5. We'll see you next time. Bye.